Hello, this is Lady B, and I come before you right now with a new session. But before we get started, we're going to do our meditation. I welcome the manifestation as we uplift our hands in our few seconds of meditation, taking all of the centerness that is around us, and we are bringing it forth to the light as we breathe in breathe out slowly. Once again, breathe in, letting all of the vases of your blood flow and releasing everything that should not be there. Breathing it out. Let it go. Once again, breathe in, hold it for a minute, and let's breathe out. I'm going to get started right now, and I'm going to talk on the subject of struggles. Life, it is about things that will make us feel like it is overwhelming for us to deal with. And when it seems so good at that time, our life takes a turn. It doesn't feel the same as what it used to feel. And even each day when the good is there, it doesn't feel the same. And that's when a load of troubles start coming in. You feel like you're doing it all by yourself, even when you're with another party. And you feel like when everything is crumbling down, you start pulling your hairs out, wondering, how am I going to bring about a solution to the situation? And you're steadily running here, running there, asking for advice, getting legal help, as well as taking every penny and dime and cent that you have, trying to make ends meet to solve all these troubles. Bills, car note, insurance, paying the kids' schooling, even those that don't have children. You just have so much that is loaded on your plate. And then it comes a point you just feel like you just want to throw it all in. Just throw in the towels and say, I don't want to do this anymore. And then you get so agitated, irritated, frustrated, getting angry at yourself, getting angry at the world, holding on, bitterness, anger, wondering, why is this happening to me? You feel so alone. You feel like you're the only one in the whole wide world that is dealing with all of these struggles. Well, I'm here to tell you, struggle is a part of life, and struggles is to teach you about you and the life that you are living. And each day and each time and each season and each second that comes before you and your struggles, it is really to teach you about how are you going to deal with the situation. Are you going to keep running from it, keep blaming the blame game? Are you going to say, I know that I need to make progress, to do things in a different kind of way and work it out and believe and see that you can work it out? You know, it's in the wellness as we reverse the thinking, and it is in the wellness that we see that no matter what I'm dealing with, this too shall pass. Faith without works, it is impossible. And knowing all things work together for them who love the manifestation, who it is called a purpose plan. Yes, so even in your struggles, you are in a purpose plan. Make it no mistakes about it. You are in a purpose plan for what you're going through, no matter what it looks like it, no matter how many tears you cry, no matter how um, unkind that you feel within this situation, keep questioning yourself. And to know through it all, you have to believe you will get through this. This too shall pass. This struggle that you are dealing with, it is to shape you, it is to mold you, and it is to rearrange you, redirect your path. And it's almost like going to school. We get A's, B's, and C's, and we get F's and D's. But it is up to us to keep the high grades of A's and B's going. And that's a part of going through the whole journey in your life. Elementary school, junior high school, and then if you make it to college, you will find yourself going through struggles, passing tests, passing final exams, passing driver's test, and so many other tests. When you get a job, when you putting this in a situation of a bank or into an institution of giving charity, is everything is in the divine of testing, of struggles, and of knowing that I will get through this and I will make it through. But it all starts with you. Trust in the belief in the manifestation in the universe, and let the radar come inside. Ask the radar to come in the situation that you're dealing with. Ask the universe to guide you, to show you, to help you, to get through and what you are dealing with. And this struggle, this will manifest itself for a greater purpose, more than you even know. It may not look like you're going to come through, but you will come through. And believe it or not, you are coming through because you come into the reality. You're going to make this work because you're changing your thinking pattern. You're thinking how you were thinking just 2 seconds ago. And now you're moving in a vast, saying, this struggle, I know I can get through this. And so just keep taking it one day, 1 minute, 1 second, and just keep doing the footwork. That's how it all starts. And any struggles that we go through, keep doing the footwork. Do not give up and don't give out. And believe me, before you know it, you're going to look back on that and you're going to say, you know what? It wasn't as bad as I thought. it was. And so through the wellness and thinking a new vast of thoughts, letting the radar take hold and bring the wellness. Hey, this is Lady B, the Queen of Wellness. I'm going to leave you for now, but never, ever, forever. And I love you, and I shall return. Hey, and do not forget to subscribe to my page and give me a thumbs up. All right now. Bye now.